YubiKey 5 versus Google Titan. Which one is the best security key? Stick around and find out. Hi, I'm Dave of Tech Experts, and I help entrepreneurs to close the gaps that exist across the tools needed for your online business. Today, I'm reviewing and comparing two different hardware keys. We're going to compare the YubiKey 5 NFC versus the Google Titan USB-A NFC, and comparing them across 4 points. Number 1 is going to be password placement. Number 2, security. Number 3, location manufacturing. And number 4, price point. Now, if you want to grab a key early, go ahead and click down in my show's description and grab a key. Remember, they are affiliate links in there. So let's take a look at this. Number 1, password replacement. This is the ability to use your key instead of having to enter your password to log into your account. I think this is a big deal. I think this is kind of a game changer as Microsoft has enabled this. Now, the YubiKey 5 supports this. The Google Titan does not. So for password replacement, YubiKey, you get the win. Number 2, security. Doesn't support the newest standard, which means can you use it for something that has like a one-time password? And yes, YubiKey supports the newest standard, the FIDO2, and Google does not support the FIDO2. So for security, YubiKey, you get the win. Number 3, location of manufacturing. Where they made can impact how easy they are to get a key if you need to buy one or get a replacement or a second key. So YubiKeys are made in the United States and Sweden both, as the company is located in both the countries. And they have been easy for me to get throughout Europe and the US without a problem. Now, the Google Titan, as Google is based in the US, their keys are currently being manufactured in China. So due to the fact that we are in pandemic time, when I went to get some of the Google keys, I couldn't get them. They said they're on back order or they're delayed due to the shipping issues. So for this, I'm going to give my win to the YubiKey. I think it's important that it's easy to get a key or a replacement key if you need to get one quickly. So number 4 is going to be price point. I know this is what everyone cares about. Remember, if you want to grab a key, they're linked up in the show's description. They will be affiliate links and you can grab one down there. Number 4, the price point, the one everyone really cares about the most probably and overly looks at as the most important one. Well, on the price point, they price out differently. The YubiKey 5 NFC costs $45 and the Google Titan USB-A NFC costs $30. So surprisingly, Google, you won on the price point. You saved $15 per key. That's kind of a big deal for me, especially when you look at buying multiple keys. Remember, you always should have more than one key in case something happens. The first one, you should have at least one backup. Now, I promise you I'd give you the full breakdown. So here it is. On the winner, I'm giving my win to the YubiKey. It won on 3 big points for me. It won on that password replacement. I think that one is huge. I think you're going to see more people embrace it and use it. It won on the security level. It supports the new FIDO2 standard. I think that is really important, as you'll see more apps, more sites, and more accounts be able to use it for two-factor authentication. And it won on location of manufacturing. This was important to me because it meant it was easy for me to find or get an extra key if I wanted to get one, and it wasn't any worry about it being delayed coming in or any part of the manufacturing process may be questionable to me. So yes, they lost on price point, but I think the future proofing makes up for the price point. The fact that I have that password replacement ability and more sites and more accounts and more things are going to support it with the new standards, I think that's a big enough win to overcome the pricing. So YubiKey 5 NFC, congratulations, you are my big winner. This is the one I recommend everyone start with. Grab one of these. It is linked up down below in the show's description. It is an affiliate link, but that does not affect your price point. Now, I hope you found it helpful. If so, please give me the big thumbs up, like it, share it with your friends and family, hit that subscribe button and the bell so you get notified and you are subscribed. I always ask you to subscribe because I want to keep you in the know. We have more How Do I guides, more tech tips, more reviews, and more things we want you to be in the know about, like what is two-factor authentication and why you need to use it. Now, if you haven't done so yet, please check out my show's description down below. Like I said, we have links to the different keys. They will be affiliate links in there, and they do pay a small commission. That commission continues to help me make amazing new content. And the other thing you need to check out in the show description is the links to the other videos in the 2FA series. I did a whole series of videos on 2FA, from everything from what it is, how to use the 2FA.directory. It is a free, great, and amazing resource that can help you figure out what methods are supported with your accounts, as well as a link to the site. And I have other videos on the YubiKeys, different connection types, and a software app in case you need to use a software token and not able to use a hardware token. I have a video on Authy. That is my software choice for you. Now, if you have any comments, any feedback, any suggestions, any take on what you think the best one really is there a different key that you want to see me review, or what is the method you use to secure all your accounts using 2FA? Leave me a comment in the comment section down below. I would love to hear your feedback. Again, I'm Dave of Tech Experts, and I look forward to working with you.